Hi everyone, I'm Slaya and today I'll show you how to blend images in Canva. If you're ready, let's get started. First, create a design in your desired size and click on Apps in the menu on the left. Type Image Blender in the search bar and click the second app. Here, click the Choose File button to upload the two images to be blended as a top and bottom layer. As you can see, both images are stacked on top of each other in the preview. Now, scroll down a bit to adjust the position of the images. Then, swipe up to select Blend Mode. You can preview all the modes individually. My favorite is Multiply. After you've set everything up, click Add to Design. I hope this tutorial video on how to blend to images in Canva was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.